this lighting is too bomb. Okay guys, so starting off with my face, I already went ahead and put my eyebrows on. It's the same old, just with a little eyebrow pencil from the hair store. So I'm going in with primer from Milk. I'm still using this little sample, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and commit to the full size bottle whenever I can get into Sephora again. So yeah, we're just gonna put this all over our face. I'm taking these for pictures today, and it's like 80 degrees outside. It's gonna be hot. I don't want to start sweating, so I'm gonna put on a little MAC Fix Plus before my foundation, just to try to really get it to lock in place. Okay, so next we're going in with our Makeup Forever HD foundation. I'm just gonna put a few pumps on the back of my hand, and then go in with a sponge. I really want to invest in a color corrector, because I feel like I could really use it like in these areas, on my mouth, on my eyes. Okay, next I'm going in with Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer in number 53. I'm gonna go and conceal. So next I'm gonna go in with this 2-in-1 foundation and concealer from Absolute New York in the shade Cool Cafe, just to kind of brighten up under my eyes, because the concealer I just put on there is more of a skin tone color. It's just gonna brighten up a little. Just gonna do 3 dots here, 1 under there. I definitely need to go shopping for some products. Okay, so we're blending this out. So I've been using my Fenty settings powder lately, but I think I'm gonna go back to my black Opal one for this video. So I'm just gonna dab that underneath my eye. Okay, so I'm just gonna lightly dust that away. So now I'm going to go in with the Fenty stick and Espresso. now I'm gonna go in with this Sahara blush palette to kind of give myself a little bronzing effect around the edges of my face. I'm gonna take a brown shade of eyeshadow, contour it in the eyelid. It's a little darker than my lid. Okay guys, so my camera stopped recording. I put on lashes and gloss. So I'm putting on this short bob. I cut this like probably the beginning of the month, but I haven't really had anywhere to go to put it on. I literally have not put on hair in over a week because like there hasn't been a reason to. Okay, so this has a band in it, so I'm just going to So this is on with a band, but I'm literally gonna do the smallest little just spray at the front so it stays in place. So I just did 2 little squirts of it right at the front, just to hold it in place. Okay, so now that this is heated up, I'm just gonna run over the top. It's pretty flat, so I'm not doing too much, just breezing over the top of it. And then of course, just top with a little bit of mousse. Right over the top, have it in place. Okay, so boom. No, okay. Okay, y'all, so here is the dress. It's this cute dress from Zara. Okay, I got this dress in December. Never wore it, obviously, and now it's warm to wear, but we don't have anywhere to go. Anyway, it just has this like polka dots, and then it has this tulle. I think it honestly probably goes like this, but she's cuter off the shoulder. And then I'm just gonna do these cute little Steve Madden mules. Cute. I have all this gold jewelry on. Okay. Ooh. Okay, we may or may not throw on these little sunnies. Okay, but yes, this is the look. Oh, this lighting is too bomb. All right, so off to take our pics. Okay, y'all, so we are headed to the roof of my apartment, which we just went and looked at earlier this week because I got an email something about they hired an instructor for like fitness on the roof, and I didn't even know we had access to our roof. So we went up there and looked, and it's cute. You can see little background of downtown Atlanta. If you look closely, it's not that close, but yeah. It's not like a roof deck where there's actual things up there. It's literally just extra parking, but I feel like the skyline makes for a cute backdrop. So this is the view. This is what I meant by you can very barely see the skyline of Atlanta. But yeah, it's just a cute little rooftop.